What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 every 30 seconds daily. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And very, very soon, somebody's going to win some free money. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really is going to help out my channel. It's going to help out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's a couple of steps you're going to have to follow. And if you just get one half of the steps, then you're going to be lost. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how this method works. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and the name of this website is CPA Lead. So this is a affiliate marketing type of website. So you're going to be promoting CPA offers. This is real easy to do, and you can make some good money doing it. And you're going to be a publisher here. So once you come here, you're going to go ahead and sign up. Free to sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to go in my account and I'm going to show you how everything works on this site. And I'm going to show you what we're going to be offering. All right, I'm in my account. So once you sign up and log in, what you're going to do is go over here to offers, click on that. And this page is going to pop up. And you're going to go where it says filter offers. So you're going to click right here and we're going to do all countries. And right here, we're going to click on where it says offer type. We're going to click on email submits and surveys. And we're going to leave this right here, all devices. And this is at all under advertisers. So we're going to scroll down here and we're going to look for Google Play 100. So you see it right here. So let's just click on it. And it's going to bring you to this page. So it says right here, above is your offer URL to share. When a person completes the offer, you will earn 61 cents. So what you're going to do is share this link right here. And when somebody puts in their email and completes the offer, you're going to get 61 cents. I know that's not much, but where you're going to share this link at, you're going to be able to get a whole bunch of leads and a whole bunch of clicks onto your URL, where you're going to have a lot of people submitting their offer, because who don't want a $100 Google Play gift card? Everybody would want that just for signing up for something. Now, here's your link right here that you're going to share. It's your affiliate link. Now, you're probably wondering, where are you going to be able to share your link and get a lot of people to click on the link and complete the email and offer? Well, I have one site that will definitely provide that for you guys. So you won't have to worry about going to different sites all over the internet trying to promote this link. There's one site you can go to, and it's going to get you a lot of clicks. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. Okay, I'm on Facebook. And what I did is I searched for any Lancer and I put making money online. And as you can see, it's a group. So you're going to want to join this group. And it has 98,000 people, or 98,000 members part of this group. That's a lot of people. So if you come in here, you'll be able to put your link down there. Just say, hey, click on this link if you want to win, if you want to receive $100 Google Play. So once they click on that, you're going to be set, guys. So guys, out of almost 100,000 people, if 10,000 people click on your link and complete the offer, that's some pretty good money you can make, guys. And that can happen real fast. That can happen in one day. So this is the site you're going to want to use. All right, guys. That's it. That's the steps. Go ahead and go to CPA Lead, sign up, get your link, and come to this site here on Facebook, join the group, and promote your link. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost 200 subscribers away. Road to 4,000 is coming soon. So please type hashtag the grind is real. Follow me on Instagram. That's going to increase your chances of winning free money. It's at @appgrind. And one more thing, guys. I have another channel. It's called Random Reg TV. Go over there and check out my videos, subscribe, and you're going to get a chance to win some free money over there too once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So the link will pop up in this video at the top. Click it, go subscribe, like my videos, watch them all, and you'll get a chance to win some free money over there too. All right, guys. One other thing, please share this all around the internet, because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and to become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, appreciate you guys for helping me out, for watching my videos. Keep watching my videos, and I'm going to keep bringing this content. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Adios.